It's a certified 2018 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The C-Class has pioneered breakthroughs in performance, safety, and luxury for 5 generations, raising the bar and putting innovation within reach. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: twin-turbo V6 engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, automatic transmission, hands-free liftgate, streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, external memory control, power tilting steering column, Wi-Fi hotspot, and power heated mirrors. Car and Driver remarks consider the C-Class as all that Mercedes knows about full-size luxury distilled into a smaller package. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,